Jiggin Jerry. All right. Edisto Beach. Access. Let's roll.
Hey, everybody. All right. Look, I am out here on my way out Edisto Beach. This is an access here, and it comes out on the beach. I'm not going to throw you a whole bunch of details. There's a river that comes out into Edisto Beach. And at the point of this river where the river meets the beach, I love to fish for spotted sea trout, red drum, flounder, and Atlantic sharp-nosed shark, black tips, stuff like that. And I like to have a good time. Now, it's a kind of an off tide as I'm on my way out here, but I like to fish it either incoming, outgoing, low tide, high tide. I just take my chances. But I want to do a quick episode and show you what I get into. So, as I strain here and give my legs a workout, pulling my buggy across this sand and everything, we'll get out here and see what I get into real quick. All right. All right. Well, I got my cart set up. It's out here. Camera stand. Got a rod in the water. Got a couple other things. I'll be jigging for some trout with some artificials. I got some cut bait out there, and I got some mud minnows with me. And I am going to see what I can do out here in this swirl. As the river comes out into the beach, it creates the swirl right in here. Let's see what we can do. And a warning to y'all. Keep in mind, a lot of boats in this area. They come through and they do not hesitate to almost ride up on the beach, right across your fishing line, and take your rod for a nice spin. So keep your eye out. As you see here, there are plenty of them, one after the other. And you see my rod set up right there, and I have to be careful. So just a heads up, guys. Alright, well, while I'm waiting on my other rod to get into a good run, I'm going to come out here with a pop and cork technique, and I'm going to toss it out in there with a nice imitation shrimp, and I am going to let it flow out with the current, popping it occasionally, to see if there's any trout closer to the surface. If that doesn't work, of course, I will go into free casting some nice artificials, maybe some grubs and some imitation shrimp, out into the water. We'll see what happens. Well, I went from the pop and cork, and now I'm tossing some grubs out there, and trying to see if I can get a nice hit. Trying to get a little lower in the water. That way I can pick up speed, fast jig, reel in constant motion, or stall, and then hop up in the air with it. It's all different types of techniques with these jigs. See if I can tease me up a game fish here. Well, alright, look at that. Nice trout, guys. Well, there are trout out there. They're not big ones. They've been running real small lately, but right at 14, 15s, and 16s. But let me see if my rod's out here. using my Carolina rig, one with a little 30-pound cable because there is some shark out here, and one with some 25-pound fluorocarbon. Both using the same cut bait. I'm using pinfish. So let's see what they can lure up. All right. By the way, I did go out here for 2 days. Just for a few hours at a pop for this episode. So let's see what we get.
It's a live one, guys. It's a big boy. Trying to fight him in. Bear with me.
Alright, I will remind you all that I am using general light tackle. My heaviest line's only 20-pound test. I'm using rods that are equivalent from 20-pound and under, 17 pounds and under. So when I say it's a big one, I'm referring to the size of the fish for these rods. Alright.
Shark. Of all things I wanted to catch turned out to be a shark. So, I was hoping it was something else. There you go. And he's ticked off. Guys, Jiggin Jerry, live at the Mount Pleasant Pier today.
Wow.
Shark. Bravo.
She just questioned when I said that there's plenty of sharks in this water. She said,
There
no way, sharks here. I said, yes, they are here too.
Right. What's up? This is one of my setups I use on a beach for redfish, spotted sea trout, flounder. This is a river coming out into Edisto Beach. Anyway, the reason I prefer this type of setup here is because I can lean it up, put it in any type of depth. I can put it in water. I got more leverage than a regular surf rod holder. I can use smaller gear, 7 foot, and the action's all in the front. The line can run, set my drag, and it is quick and easy pickup. As you can tell, it's just like you're on. That's it. So that's great. And of course, I have my trusty cart, as you can see, all set up beachside, and get a rod in the water here too. Look at that, and it's out in there. And of course, my jigging rods. I've been throwing some artificials, small stuff, trying to find some good stuff, but I'll show you some more of my little tricks later. All right. All right, guys.
Finally, more action.
Got one that wants to fight. He's coming. All right, guys. Going back in that water now. Atlantic shark nose, guys. All right, good fight. They always smell like pee. It's a male. We're gonna let him go. We can get some more. Out of here, guys. There's bluefish out here. Guess what? Now I got some cut bait.
All right. Well, while I'm continuing fishing out here and having a good time, as you can look around, there are all types of critters. Birds, creatures. When you're fishing in the beach, on the beach, be careful stepping in the water. You got all types of things like this horseshoe crab. They're in here and it's mating season. And they're running around on the beach, looking Jurassic as they can. That big old spike. They don't feel too good when you step on them. So be careful, keep your eye out. But I tell you, if there's not much fishing going on, or should I say not much catching, there's always some fun to check out the local critters. All right. Alright everybody, well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to keep on fishing, try this a few more days, keep going, see if I can get in some flounder, maybe some red drum will finally come in. I'm going to sit here and watch these dolphins work the bait as it comes out of the river. They like to corner everything up here, which also helps pocket everything up. I've seen some good action here before, and granted I haven't landed a whole bunch of monsters, but that's why they call it fishing. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and follow the sunset for the evening and then head my way on out here. Maybe I'll see y'all out here one time giving it a whirl. Anyway, like I always say, good luck fishing out there. Have fun, and I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy. And oh yeah, don't forget, those of you who haven't already subscribed to my channel, take advantage, look down, there's a subscribe button. Again, it's just to alert you when I have new videos up, showing some new places, and of course the places I've already shown, maybe some new fish. Take care y'all, thanks.